a complex matter. But I question that. Do we actually know the formula? And it would be interesting to hear from you what you expected of a lawyer and what assistance you expected from a lawyer as a judge in a matter.
Assistance, yes, to the, fullest extent, he must bring out everything. But let me tell you what a judge really looks,
That's right.
in a lawyer. The first thing I would look is he fair? Fairness, I think, is the hallmark of the whole system. He doesn't have to be fair only to his client, but to the other side, and above all to the judge, to the society. So this feeling of fairness a lawyer must give. Secondly, his expression must be amiable. Many times the lawyers are so competitive. They are so noisy at times. But this amiable, expression is something, you must endear yourself to the judge. It's, many times if you found, even as a commoner, that you tend to agree more with people whom you like. So that's a psychological phenomenon. So he must have an amiable expression. And thirdly, they've got to be attentive. Many times I have found that the lawyer is full of himself. He's done his case. It's all in his mind, and he wants to somehow put everything across. He's not attentive where the judge is. How the judge's mind is working. How would he be able to tackle what is troubling the judge? So you've got to be attentive. These three qualities I feel are very important in a lawyer. And the best example, of this alertness, this attentive, in this kind of focus, is when you see you work with Fali Nariman. I've done a lot of work with him. He was one lawyer who was always attentive. Absolutely knew what the judge was thinking. That's a great quality.
You're
right.
Lawyers
have it.
I think Fali Nariman and Ashok Desai both knew the pulse of the court.
Absolutely.
And they swung around, had
they remarkable knew what turn the judge wanted.
Remarkable turn of
Remarkable,
foot.
Yeah.
But I think you